applying colors in ArchiCAD. Let's start with the entrance porch. So right here, the entrance porch, we have the base here to look colorful. Let's choose settings and then proceed to the model where we intend to choose something like bricks. We use this style of bricks. That's not bright enough. Let's choose something that is much bright. Maybe brick common bond, heritage bond. Yes, exactly. Let's choose that. Also choose heritage on the next one. Okay, so now the slab, we use something that has to do with poured concrete. I have concrete somewhere. Alright, poured concrete. Exactly. So that's the poured concrete. Okay. So now the side will depend on the color of the building. So I intend to give this a pink kind of a touch something else. Okay, let's choose, this is it, choose pink kind of a color for the side. Yep. Alright, so the building, we can logically select this building, although I'm having difficulty selecting it, but we'll definitely achieve that. Select the components here. Once we're done with the entrance porch, we can okay. Okay, let's go to the floor plan, which will enable us to select the building. This is slab. Let's send display order sent to back, such that when we come here we should be able to touch our plan instead of the I've selected the wall now. So let's pick the walls. We want something like this. Let's preview. Okay, exactly, that's what we want. Okay, so maybe on the slab here we'll use the pink, a thicker pink, which is this one. We have pink that is thicker. Alright, so that by the time you render it, you will notice the color depth. So the entire house here is in pink. There's a pink house. Okay, well, we can decide to add colors to this. The entrance porch here should not be totally pink. We can make something, maybe the heritage bricks, yeah, should be on the face here, so that it will now match with the base. Alright, even down here we can use the heritage bricks, round. No, this is bond bricks. I want to use heritage. Okay, you will see that the wall is not allowing the brick effect to show. That means we'll have to raise the wall to begin at the slab level. You see, we never did that. The wall is beginning the same level with the slab, so the slab effect is not depicting here. So let's ungroup this wall. Let's ungroup. Okay, let's go to objects and ungroup the wall. So by the time we ungroup the wall, we'll be able to resize this wall to sit. Sorry, you know, I'm using stretch, so I can stretch the wall now to sit on top of the slab. So since it's a mistake from us, you know, and we learn from mistakes, so we will now begin to lift the walls. Okay, let's slab. Alright, this is on slab. Let's go ahead and turn off the slab so that it will allow us to turn off a layer. You can Control L on your keyboard, and then this is the slab layer, and then we'll turn it off. That means the slab has gone. So this will enable us to edit this properly. You know, I already achieved one here, so that one will serve as a sample for me, where I will be lifting these other ones to lap on that, so I won't have problem. So I've just achieved that. Slab level is there for me because I've already done one. So I can also click this. Mind you, you have to use a stretch height to stretch it to the next node here. You know, it has lifted that as well. So let's go to the other side. So you see, these are things you will never run away from ArchiCAD. You must have to adjust things. You can't do something and think it's 100%. You always have to adjust in order to get precisely what you want. So these mistakes were overlooked for the purpose of letting you know that you have to get to know all these tricks. There are things that you must know. So raise them up. I think we are done. We started around this place and we have gone round back to this place now. So by the time we need just for the external walls, don't mind the internal walls, we need just for the external walls. So now we can hold down the Control key and press the L key on our keyboard to enable back the layer that is controlling the slab, so that our slab now will be showing with the effect we created. So right now you can see that the wall is actually taking off from the slab, which is the ideal thing, and I think this is the best. So the effect is properly shown. You can see all around. So this is how you resolve such issues, you know. All around you see the effects showing. So that's how you render your paintings in ArchiCAD. Okay, now we also have the pose. Let the columns be the same way. It's even matching with the floor. These are poured concrete. So this is how you achieve this.